Alright, video. I need to think of a video. I need to think of a YouTube video. I'm gonna put it together. It's gonna be in my head.
What does a yacht owner want to see on YouTube?
Whoa, 8 episodes, and you're still watching. Wow, we must be doing something right. Anyways, you know the drill. I'm Dennis Foster, Lauderdale Marine Center. Boats, let's dive right in. Well, we started off our week by completing the repairs on our 130 Benetti, which just came in for paint repairs. But when we got to the boat, we noticed the bow plate was about an inch away from the hull, which is bad. So we got our team to repair the area instead of spending thousands of dollars to replace it. Tuesday, we finally completed the removals of the shore power converters, which were a major pain in the ass, mainly because they weighed 1,100 pounds each. Even though I've been going to the gym a lot, I just didn't think I could handle it. On top of that, these units were in the back of the engine room, so we had to first remove all the exhaust tubes, slide the transformers across the floor, and then we had to bring in a crane and finally hoist these babies out.
All right, mission accomplished. Edgar, how do you feel?
Feeling great, man. I like it when things get done.
And nobody died, and that's a win. Wednesday, after completing our sandblasting on the steel hull from last week, we prepped and applied the barrier coat of high solids epoxy to seal the bottom off. This will prevent the bottom from corrosion and further extend the life of the boat. Thursday, we sent our celebrity host Juan over to the neighboring marina to check up on an off-site carpentry job. The captain wanted us to create a way to convert a 2-twin bedroom into a master bed, but still have the flexibility to revert it back. To do this, we installed 2 rails on the side of each bed and modified the nightstand height. And that brings us to Friday. Remember that boat with a hole in it last week? Well, guess what? No more hole. As we have finished the fiberglass and the bodywork, we're now sanding it to prepare the bottom for our high-performance epoxy coating. This coating is great as it prevents scuffing along the bottom and creates an invisible shield against algae. So yeah, this is pretty badass. So there's your week, filled with a lot of fun and a lot of damn headaches. I'm so excited that we have now completed 8 episodes and had the opportunity to shine some light on some of our other staff members. Let me know in the comments down below if you're enjoying the series as much as I am. And check out our newly reopened YouTube channel where we'll be posting a lot more behind the scenes and fun of the yard. I'll see you next Friday at Foster's.